mas pinapaboran ngayon ng mga hari ng Parañaque. Led 5 racks to 1 kanina. But look at this shot from Jolo Aspuria. I think he will go for an intentional foul dito. There you go, opting for that. Yun ang ginawa niya doon. Whereas sabi nga ni Professor Fisid the Younger, ganda din naman na sagot dito. Hindi magpapahuli talaga. Itong 21-year-old, 4 season. Kailangan niya ng pakawal nito. Clock is ticking for him. 1, 2, 3. Ooh. Will challenge Christian Season to hit this. And I believe he will opt for 3 fouls dito, guys. Look at that. Kumbaga sa bilibid ikinulong. Remember, he already used his time extension kanina. Kailangan makaproduce siya ng magandang tira dito. Foul 1 na siya kanina. Look at that. He tried his best there. Pupwede sana kung malakas-lakas lang ng konti yung tirada siya dun sa puti.